Hello, Colorado Realtors. I'm Scott Peterson. Thank you for joining me for another edition of Legal Bites. So today I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about who's who in state licensing. I get so many questions, and I feel like a lot of our members, you guys realtors, conflate the terms of DORA and the division and the commission, and they all kind of just one massive ball of who knows what that nobody completely understands. I think it's important for you guys to understand who your state licensing authority are and what the pecking order is and kind of the framework. So we're going to talk very briefly today, and it's part one of two, because I'm also going to talk in the next edition of Legal Bites about when you ought to be calling the division of real estate. So separate topic, but this is part one of part two. So I want you to understand the regulatory framework under which you are all licensed, whether you're a realtor or a non-realtor. Everybody's licensed by the state of Colorado. So again, the confusion I get is people refer to DORA as the commission, or maybe the commission as the division, or the division as DORA. And it's important, I think, for you guys to understand that they're all three separate entities. DORA is the big daddy. It's the parent sort of entity over the division of real estate. The division of real estate is only one licensed vertical underneath DORA. There's, I think, 14 different licensed verticals under DORA. Division of banking, division of insurance, division of real estate, of course, divisions of professions and occupations. And within the division of professions and occupations, I think there's 50 different licensed occupations, and those are, medical doctors and dentists and engineers and accounting. So 360 almost thousand total licensed professionals under the division of professions and occupations. So really, really big division. But it's important to understand that DORA is not the division of real estate. That's only one licensed vertical within the division of real estate. So underneath DORA, we have the division, the Colorado Division of Real Estate. That's your licensing authority. And the Division of Real Estate is about 44,000 total licensees in the state of Colorado, real estate licensees. The Division of Real Estate also oversees appraisers, as you guys know. It oversees the Conservation Easement Program. It oversees CAM licensing. And it also oversees, importantly, the Board of Mortgage Loan Originators, the mortgage licensees. So all of those tertiary real estate licensed functions fall underneath the Division of Real Estate, but that is the division. And the division is the staff arm, the administrative, the government employee functions of the Real Estate Commission. So the commission, again, is not DORA, and it's not the division. The commission is 5 members that were appointed by the governor, each to 3-year terms. And so there are 5 commissioners that have been appointed by, in the current case, Governor Hickenlooper, each of them serving 3-year terms. They can serve up to 2 3-year terms. And the Colorado Real Estate Commission is the regulatory authority over the division of real estate, or over licensees, over you. So when somebody makes a complaint, they generally make a complaint to the Colorado Real Estate Commission, and the division will investigate that complaint, and sometimes through a delegated authority hand down discipline for violation of license law rules or commission regulations. But all of the bigger issues that occur all go in front of the 5 commissioner. The commission is composed, like I say, of 5 appointed people. Per statute, those 5 people are, 3 of them are licensees, and 2 of them are members of the public. They're meant to represent the consumer interest in the regulatory framework. So again, DORA is the oversight agency. The commission is the 5 people that are appointed by the governor, and they are the regulatory authority that the division of real estate acts on behalf of. And the division, of course, is the staff function. So again, I think it's important that you guys understand that. That's who you pay dues to. That's who you're accountable to in the event that there's a complaint. And when we kind of start to conflate terms, I think it gets a little confusing. So wanted to do this to make sure that everybody understands kind of who's who in your regulatory framework. As always, if you have questions about this or other things, the Colorado Association of Realtors Legal Hotline is available between 9 and 12 and 1 and 4, Monday through Friday. A great member resource. So thanks for tuning in for this. Hopefully this was helpful. And stay tuned for part 2 of this, which is going to be a little bit more on when you ought to call the division versus when you ought to seek assistance and guidance elsewhere. So thanks for your membership, and we'll see you on the next version of Legal Bites.